In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up any controller on Steam. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, you need to make sure your controller is connected to your computer. If it's wired, plug it in with USB. If it's wireless, go to settings, Bluetooth, add devices from there. You need to make sure that your controller is paired. But once your controller is connected and paired, go ahead and open up Steam and you need to hit Steam up in the top left corner. And then from here, scroll down and select settings. In this left-hand menu, you're going to see a bunch of different stuff. You need to find controller down towards the very bottom. Select controller and you're going to see all of your controllers on here. It's going to show one that you might already have connected. Like usually if it's wireless, it'll detect it after you hit add controller, but if it's wired, it should detect it almost immediately. If you are wireless though, and for whatever reason it's not popping up here, just select add controller and then choose your controller type. And either pair with Bluetooth or connect it with USB, and then you could change it. Like there's a bunch of different stuff on here. Obviously you're gonna have like your Switch controller, your PlayStation controllers, your Xbox controller right here. I think that's the Steam controller as well, which is pretty sick. And then if you want, you can also go into your advanced settings, and from here you can go through and change a lot of the settings, including the layout, the guide buttons cord. It's going to be a lot of different stuff that you can go through and adjust. Adjust these if you want. It's completely up to you. If for whatever reason it's not detecting, you need to fully close Steam and then reopen it. So detect it on Task Manager, like Steam specifically, and then go ahead and close that. And then you're good to go. You can also right click and run Steam as an administrator, which also does help if it's having issues. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.